Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit my phone number on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to edit your phone number on Amazon using the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com using any browser of your choice, then log in to your account. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this homepage. Now, from this homepage, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the homepage. Then you'll be provided with a drop-down menu with a couple of options, including accounts, others, keep shipping for, recommendation, all the way down to sign up. Go ahead and click on account to open your account settings. In your account settings, you're going to see a couple of options, but you're going to have to click on login and security. And once you click on login and security, it's going to take you over here to this page, login and security page. So in here, go ahead and find your phone number, which is here. It is listed under primary mobile number. So right next to the phone number, you're going to see the edit button. Now click on the edit button next to your phone number and it takes you to the next page. In the next page, enter your new phone number in a designated field and click on continue to proceed. Now, Amazon will need to verify your new phone number. So Amazon would send a one-time password, that's OTP, to your new phone number. So enter the OTP in the verification field provided and click verify. After verifying the OTP, your new phone number will be updated. So click Save Changes to confirm the update. And that's it. Your phone number is now successfully updated on Amazon. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.